Best practices for Klarna financing involve understanding the payment options and using them responsibly. Klarna is a popular payment service that allows customers to pay for purchases in installments. To get started with Klarna financing, customers need to create an account and apply for financing. The application process typically involves providing personal and financial information, and Klarna will review the application to determine eligibility. Once approved, customers can use Klarna to finance purchases at participating merchants. One of the key concepts to understand is the different payment options offered by Klarna, including Pay in 4 and financing. Pay in 4 allows customers to split purchases into 4 equal payments, while financing allows customers to pay for purchases over a longer period of time. Best practices for using Klarna financing include making payments on time, keeping track of payments, and only borrowing what can be repaid. It is also important to read and understand the terms and conditions of the financing agreement, including the interest rate and any fees. For example, if a customer uses Klarna to finance a $1,000 purchase, they may be required to make monthly payments of $50 over a period of 20 months. In this case, the customer should make sure to make the monthly payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. By following these best practices, customers can use Klarna financing responsibly and avoid financial difficulties. It is also important to note that Klarna financing may not be suitable for everyone, and customers should carefully consider their financial situation before applying. Ultimately, the key to using Klarna financing effectively is to understand the payment options, make responsible purchasing decisions, and keep track of payments. By doing so, customers can enjoy the benefits of Klarna financing while avoiding potential pitfalls.